What's up? This is Pauti Works. This is our new one, Almera G4 2023 model. Rent a car for Mark Labrador. Nice, nindot. Then actually guys was ala ka nindot sa rent to car na mo kay ug mo-book mo. No need na nga ika kamo pa mo kuha. Kami may mo deliver sa unit, guys. Then kuha na lang. Ako na lang mo actually payment for kuan kanang pag-uli namo kay after mahuman ang inyong book sa day nga iuli na ang sakyanan, kami na lang sa imo kuha sa unit. Dili na kay hassle, guys. Almira red color ni siya, guys. You see? A red color. Then limpyo, bugnaw ang aircon. Then just you need to PM lang, guys, Facebook ni Mark Labrador or ni Aldrin Archis. Then very smooth to driving this Almira, guys. Walay problema. Then ang mo gamit ani, guys, or mo book sa unit was you need to comply as kanang ID and kanang og nagka-pull ang gasoline. If you return the car, you have to pull the gasoline also. The rate of the price sa car, guys, just PM lang for how much you rent the car. And then kanang wala na hassle, guys, mo rent mo ani. This is a dramatic day, guys. It's so easy to drive na lang. Bisag babae, basta na alam mo yung license, you know how to drive, that is okay for us. Book na lang mo sa sa page about rent a car. For this car, nasa expander, guys, giabangan po. Then wala pa na mo na vlog ang expander kay kanang giabangan pa man sa good. Then this is Aldrin Archis. Do your driving. Pwede ra sad, guys, mo rent mo og car ani. You have mo rent mo og car o appeal driver. Mag PM lang, magsabot-sabot lang ta driver and then the car. You have to pay us. Then kuan lang. Depende ra sa kuan, guys. Depende ra sa sabot. Then kanang about through airport nga i-drop by lang, drop us, sa abot lang o pila ang kuan ang evaluate sa price. Then isag asa mo sa Cebu, guys, kanang makuha na mo og mo hatod mo og kuan kanang through airport or any other place here in Cebu. Just call us and peace out and thank you.